When we look up at the stars and the vastness of the universe, the question inevitably arises, why is there life on Earth? This question has always been a difficult riddle for scientists to answer. In the vastness of the universe, nebulae and dust are wandering in space, planets are orbiting, and everything is in order. But there is only one blue planet that is not so peaceful. It has something different, life. You know, there may be about 100 billion planets in the Milky Way alone, but there is no sign of life anywhere beyond Earth. Earth is the only planet in the universe that we know of that has life. Life is so mysterious and incredible that it has been an area of intense study for scientists. In this video, we will explore the reasons for the existence of life on Earth and explain the problem from different perspectives. First, we need to understand what life is. Life has several characteristics that metabolism. Living organisms are able to take energy from the environment such as sunlight and food and convert it into bioenergy to support life activities. Growth and development. Living organisms go through stages of growth and development as they progress from birth to maturity. Genetics and evolution. Living organisms are able to pass genetic information to their offspring and gradually mutate and evolve over time. Response to stimuli. Living organisms are able to respond to changes in the external environment to adapt to it. Reproduction and reproduction. Living organisms are able to reproduce offspring to perpetuate life. Why the Earth has life is closely related to its unique conditions. Several factors are critical to the Earth's ability to harbor life. The first is the location and type of star. The Earth is located in the solar system, about 150 million kilometers from the Sun, which places the Earth in a region of moderate temperature, known as the life zone. In this zone, water can exist in liquid form, providing the most basic conditions for life. In addition, the Sun is a yellow dwarf star whose stable nuclear fusion process provides a constant and stable source of energy for the Earth. The second is the presence of water. Water is the cornerstone of life. Approximately 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, which makes our planet an ideal source of life. Water has many unique physical and chemical properties, such as solubility, heat capacity, and surface tension, that are essential for the formation and maintenance of life. The third is the Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field protects our planet from solar winds and cosmic rays, allowing life to survive in relative safety. The formation of the Earth's magnetic field is associated with the flow of magnetic metals such as iron and nickel within the Earth, and this flow produces the Earth's constant magnetic field. The fourth is the Earth's atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere provides the gases necessary for life to protect and survive. The oxygen in the atmosphere is necessary for the metabolism of life. Also, the atmosphere is able to absorb the sun's ultraviolet rays and cosmic rays, mitigating the harmful effects of these radiations on living things. Fifth is the biochemical cycle of the Earth. The Earth's organisms, atmosphere, water, and rocks together form a complex ecosystem in which various elements cycle to sustain life. For example, the carbon cycle is the basis for the flow of energy within Earth's organisms, and photosynthesis and respiration allow carbon and energy to circulate between organisms and the atmosphere. Although the Earth provides the right conditions for life, how life came to be remains a hot topic of interest for scientists. The following are a few of the major theories on the origin of life. The first theory is the origin of deep-sea thermal springs. The theory of the origin of life in deep-sea hot springs suggests that life first appeared in the hot spring regions of the Earth's deep ocean. In these areas, high temperatures and pressures make it easier for chemicals in the water to form the organic material needed for life. These organic substances reacted on the mineral surfaces of the hot springs and eventually formed simple life forms. The second theory is the climatic shock origin. The climatic electroshock theory suggests that life originated in the early Earth's atmosphere. Proponents of this theory believe that in the early days of the Earth, the atmosphere contained large amounts of simple organic substances such as hydrogen, ammonia, and methane. When these substances were subjected to electric shocks from high-energy electrons such as lightning, they formed more complex organic substances, such as amino acids and nucleotides. These organic substances accumulate in the ocean and eventually evolve into living organisms. The third theory is extraterrestrial origin of life. The theory of extraterrestrial origin of life suggests that life may have originated outside of Earth and then passed to Earth through celestial bodies such as comets and meteorites. Proponents of this theory argue that conditions on the early Earth may not have been conducive to the birth of life, and that certain extraterrestrial environments may have been more suitable for the formation of life than Earth. Evidence for this theory comes primarily from organic material and amino acids found in some meteorites. Although each of these theories has its own proponents, there is no conclusive evidence to prove which one is correct. Scientists are continuing to explore the mysteries of the origin of life. Life did not emerge overnight. It has evolved over hundreds of millions of years, from the earliest single-celled organisms to the highly complex biological systems of today. The evolution of species is achieved through processes such as natural selection, genetic mutation, and genetic recombination. Life forms on Earth are very diverse, ranging from tiny single-celled organisms to complex multicellular organisms, and each life form has its own characteristics to adapt to its environment. The evolution of life is a process of continuous adaptation to the environment, and only those forms of life that are adapted to the environment can survive and reproduce. Organisms compete with each other, the fittest survive and the unfit are eliminated. In this process, organisms constantly adapt to their environment, evolve and reproduce, creating a unique biodiversity on Earth. This is the reason why there is such a diversity of life forms on Earth. The diversity of life on Earth is a result of the evolution of life.